Hey guys, John Knutson here with Knutson Consulting. I want to show you a real quick efficiency tip that you can use every day while you're using your Mac. It's really been helpful with the projects that I use. Say we have a bunch of applications open on our desktop, and just here I'm going to open up four. And they're all kind of overlapping each other. I got a big screen, I can try and spread them out, but most of the time when we're working, we just open an app and we start working on it. Then when we want to switch to an app that's already open, then we got to come down here to the desktop and we got to find it on the menu bar and click on it. And that takes usually a couple of seconds, but say we're doing tedious tasks where we have to go between one application and another. So we're writing a report in Word or working in Excel, and then we got to go for a reference on the internet somewhere, and you got to click between the browser and Word. Well, sometimes, uh, you know, those two applications are not next to each other, and so we spend a lot of time going back and forth between one application, then we got to come over here and go to the other. This becomes frustrating, especially if you have a Bluetooth mouse or a mouse that has an auto shut off. Basically, it's run by batteries, and so it wants to save the batteries and it shuts it off automatically. Say I'm typing in a Word document for a long extended period of time, my mouse will actually go to sleep just to save battery, which is a function that I want. But when I try to wake it up, I got to click the buttons and shake it around and try and wake it up, and that takes a little bit of time just to go over and switch an application. Well, there's a better way to do this, and that is kind of a quick jump menu that I'm going to show you how to use right now. If we hold down the Command or the Apple button, as it's known, Command, and then we tap on the Tab button, and we hold that Command button down, it's going to bring up this menu. And these are all of my applications that are currently running on my Mac. And so I want to quickly just switch over from Firefox to the App Store. I release the Command button on the application while it's selected, and it brings that app to the front. Say I need to jump over to Terminal, I just tap on the Tab button enough times to get over to Terminal and release, and it brings it to the front. There's another option. If we click on Command and we bring up that screen, we can use the left and right arrows to select whichever app we want. And that keeps our fingers on the keyboard, and it saves us a few extra minutes. And if we're doing a lot of repetitive tasks, this will really help speed up processes. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.